This video I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted song in Suno AI. So for example, let's try to delete this particular song. Let's click on the three dots, click on this move to trash. After that, this has been deleted and it's been moved to your trash. If you wish to actually recover this particular song that we have deleted, what we can do is we can head over right here into our sidebar right there. From in there, you can scroll down and you can see all of these options from the actual Suno. So in order to do this, just head over right here to your library. And then once you're in here, you can see these options. So what you can do is you can just head over and then locate the trash icon beside it. You can see this trash icon right here. Click on that. And after this, you can see all of the songs that you have on trash. If you wish to recover a particular song, head over and then recover it by clicking on this Restore to Library option. You can click on the Share options right here or other option, but if you wish to restore it, click on this particular song, and then you can head over and then restore it according to your liking for this case. You can play it and then add it back into your library itself. So you can see these three dots. Now for this case, click on the three dots from there. Click on the three dots from here. And then click on restore, or you can also delete this permanently. But since we want to recover, let's click on this restore option and it will be restored. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.